Thin, smooth, layerable. Usually not something you think of when it comes to glitter heat transfer vinyls, right? What if I told you it's possible to have all of that? I'm talking about Siser Sparkle Heat Transfer Vinyl. Hey everyone, I'm Joe with Siser North America. Welcome to another episode of the Decoration Zone. In this episode, hang out with me because I'm going to take you over the entire application process for Siser Sparkle Heat Transfer Vinyl. To begin with Siser Sparkle Heat Transfer Vinyls, you're going to send your image in reverse to your vinyl cutter. If you're looking for recommended vinyl cutter settings, head over to our website at siserna.com, look up the Sparkle tab, scroll down, and we have a variety of recommended vinyl cutter settings for various vinyl cutters. Alright, now we have all of our cut pieces ready to go. The next step is weeding or removing the excess material or the negative space around our designs. So we're going to take our Siser weeder and we're going to pierce the corner of our Sparkle transfer and remove our excess material. Now, I want to talk about a huge benefit of the Sparkle Heat Transfer Vinyl, and that is that just like our Easy Weed family, you guys probably know, has a sticky backing. So it's really beneficial because it is an easy weed, but if you want to make your process even faster, because as you just saw, that was really easy, but I have 10 colors I have to weed right now, so I want to speed this process up. So if you're working next to your heat press, I have mine turned on right now to 305 degrees. It's warmed up. I'm going to heat up my lower platen for a couple of seconds, and for my next 9 colors I have to weed here, I'm going to lay it down on this warmed up lower platen, and what that warmed area is doing is releasing all my excess material, making it a lot faster to remove. So let's montage this.
Joe, what's up?
We're gonna need a bigger table. So I have 10 colors of sparkle in my design that I'm gonna be applying onto my garment. That is gonna require me to have to layer some of these colors. That's right, you heard it correctly. You can layer Siser Sparkle directly on top of itself. Game changer, I'm telling you. So today I'm working with a heat press, but for those that are applying with a home iron or an easy press, that's completely okay. Just make sure you head over to our website at siserna.com, look up the home iron application instructions, you get a step-by-step process right there. Alright, so for my heat press, what you're going to set your temperature to is 305 degrees. Then next you're going to adjust your pressure. So I have my garment set on there. I'm going to make sure I'm set to a medium pressure, which is about where I'm at right there. First thing you're gonna wanna do is preheat your garment for a couple of seconds. Takes out the wrinkles and moisture. Okay, so I have 10 colors of sparkle here that I'm going to be layering on this. It would normally be very time consuming with other products that may take the full duration for each layer, but a huge benefit of the Siser Sparkle is I'm going to lay down my first layer, use a cover sheet, and I'm going to tack this 1 second and peel hot. So that's right, 1 second, peel hot. Now we're going to cruise through. I'm going to show you guys a couple more and then we'll montage this scene. 1 second. All right, we'll montage it from there. Okay, that was a lot. So I did a full 10 colors, 10 layers, 1 second each. Now what you need to make sure you do when you do this process, or even if you have just one color of sparkle heat transfer vinyl, you want to make sure you apply it for the entire 15 seconds. So I'm going to cover this entire image and press for the full 15 seconds. That's going to cure each one of those layers I have in this design. You guys ready? There you have it. Check it out. I want you folks to let us know what you think of this in the comments below. Siser Sparkle Heat Transfer Vinyl has the glitter flakes embedded inside the material, which gives you that smooth finish and still keep that shimmer. If you're looking to get your hands on some Siser Sparkle Heat Transfer Vinyl today, please contact your authorized Siser distributor or authorized Siser reseller. If you don't have one of those, please feel free to contact us at info@siserna.com. Thank you so much for watching this episode of the Decoration Zone. I hope it helped. If it did and you liked it, please give us a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe, click that bell so you get all the latest and greatest from Siser North America. And if you haven't already, join our Siser North America support group on Facebook, because I want to see all of your projects with Sparkle Heat Transfer Vinyl or our entire line of Siser products. Thank you guys so much. As always, I'm Joe with Siser North America. This has been another episode of the Decoration Zone, and I will talk to you all very soon.